Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I am here to share what fits in this here Marc Jacobs mini tote. I did do a unboxing, so make sure you go and check that video out if you want to see the actual unboxing, what fits in here, and maybe some mod shots. I get started, don't forget to click on my subscribe button because y'all, it really helps out my channel. So with that being said, I'm going to show you what you can carry in this here mini tote, because surprisingly this mini tote holds a lot, you all, a lot. So I have some things here on the floor, and like I said, the inside is kind of empty. I do have the strap right here, and then I have these here, I don't know what this is, bag stuff. I do have the tag still on it. When I was carrying it, I just tucked the tag, I just tucked the tag in the inside. I'm not returning it, but I just still have the tag on this here particular bag. Reason why the balloons are in the back is because Valentine's Day is Sunday and I got my balloons early, so I just wanted to put them in my background of this here video. But before I show you what fits in the bag, let me show you what I did buy for this hair bag. It ended up getting a lint brush, a lint roller, because this hair bag do attract lint, and using this fixed the problem. Like any lint that you will see, I'll just take my lint brush at the end of the day and just go over it, and it's back to brand new. And I'm sure with the warmer months coming, I won't have to worry too much about lint, because you know, I think it's from my sweaters and sweatpants and stuff. So see here, if you can see, it's lint here. So see how the lint brush gets the lint off. So if you have this bag or looking to purchase this bag, I will highly recommend a lint brush. I did get this from Ikea's. I think I paid like $1. It was under $2, you all. So you don't have to go to Ikea's, but this is where I got mine. I'm sure they sell them at Walmart, Target. And it's funny because I never had a lint brush before until I purchased this here bag. Anyway, moving on to the inside. So if y'all didn't know, the inside does not have a back pocket like the small tote. And at first I thought that was going to be a problem, but it ended up working out. So I just wanted to let you all know that. And then in the inside, you have the Marc Jacobs piping. I'm not sure if you can see in the black and white. Then you also have your D-rings to attach your strap. And if you didn't know, you can switch out your straps. Like if you have other Marc Jacobs bags, you can use different straps with this here particular bag. And then also I did notice that some of Marc Jacobs straps comes with gold hardware. Like this here is gold, and also the D-rings are gold. But by the D-rings being inside of the bag, if you did purchase a gold a strap with gold hardware, I don't think you will see this here silver too much. That's if you have an issue with match metals. So I just wanted to point that out. I haven't purchased any extra straps as of yet, because if y'all didn't know, the straps run like $85, almost $100. So your girl can wait till they go on sale, because if you put a few dollars more, you can get a bag. So that's why I haven't been rushing to grab a strap as of yet. And this here is your Marc Jacobs card that came along with the bag. So let's see. I have my Gucci key pouch. I did do I think an unboxing and a review on this here card case key pouch, and y'all, I'm telling you, I'm still loving my key pouch. Like, I love this here little key pouch. Like I said, I do have the black, and this do come in pink. And I did get a lot of people letting me know that they did purchase this in the pink and they love it. So yeah, they said they were gonna let me know if they had issues with color transfer, because I love this. I love this hair little key pouch so much. I would, you know, eventually purchase this in the pink color. That's only if I don't have to worry about color transfer. But yeah, so I will put that in the inside of the bag. Of course, you need your cell phone. I do have the iPhone 12 Pro Max with the Casetify case. So we're gonna put that in there. I have some new goodies, y'all. Like, I am so excited. I can't wait to share with you all. But yeah, here is my card case. And of course, we need a mask. I didn't notice that a lot of these here diamonds are falling off. I have my Chanel mirror, y'all. I did not know this here thing collects so much lint. I did use the lint brush on this here today. I can wash this, like take it and wash it and then let it air dry. And I always bring a mirror because you know you got to make sure you ain't got nothing in your nose, make sure your mouth is right and all like things like that. Of course, I have to have my AirPods. I take these everywhere I go. These are the AirPod Pros. You all, I purchased the Hermes lip balm, and this here is one of my Valentine's Day gift. It is a little pricey, but in my opinion, it is worth every penny. I didn't want to put a lip gloss in my bag only because of the fact that we have to wear a mask. So a lot of times my lips will get dry. So I was like, you know what? It's Valentine's Day. Let's go all out. So I did treat myself to an Hermes lip balm. And if you didn't know, if you wanted to see the packaging, it is white and gold. And if y'all didn't know, these here are refillable. So if you purchase this and you decide, hey, I want to switch it out, all you do is purchase the refills and you just place it in here and push it down, and voila. So I have that. Let's see what else. I have my birthday gift over here. Y'all know I always carry this here pochette in the damier, in the checker print. I always say checker print, y'all, because I can butcher a name, a word, or whatever. But yeah, here is my pochette, and I always carry this in all of my bags. So I will put that inside. So as you can see, we still have a lot of room. And let's see what else. Not sure if I mentioned this, but I think I did. So yeah, here is my $2,000 lipstick case, y'all. It's like, y'all, yeah, here's my House of Sillage lipstick. Like I said, I always carry this in this pouch. And this here, I just put in my purse because it needs to be carried around, not left at my house. And then I also have my white one. Y'all already know the story. I had an issue with the first white one, so they ended up sending me a new one. And like I said before, they did let me keep the defective one. So I have two whites, but I don't carry both. And then I have this here Gucci pouch, y'all. This here I had bought years, and I bought this years ago, y'all. I love this here Gucci pouch. And when I bought this was like 300, I want to say like 390 back then. They even carry this particular print, well, this here color. Like, I hate when brands come out with stuff that's limited edition and then you don't see it anymore, because sometimes the stuff that's limited edition be stuff that you wish they would keep, you know. So it's not full, but let me see. And I do have a unboxing on this particular item. I did get this for Valentine's Day at the Gucci outlet. You know what, it kind of reminds you of this here print. I think it's the small GGs or micro GGs. So make sure you don't miss my Valentine's Day, what I got for Valentine's Day video. That should be coming up probably after this video. And here is that, so I'm gonna put that in the inside of here. So this particular bag, I wouldn't want to overstuff the bag. Now you can put whatever you want in the bag, but for me, I have an issue with overstuffing my bags. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to keep it at a minimum just so it won't be so heavy, because I like to carry this particular bag as a handheld, like a crook of your arm type of bag, like a speedy bag. Let me go ahead and add these straps to this hair bag. So I think I'm gonna show y'all some modeling shots really quick. And you know what? It's crazy because I do not zipper my bags. I don't know why, y'all, but I don't. But I'm a zipper the bag for the sake of this here video. So here is everything in the bag. So now what I'm going to do is show y'all some modeling shots. So let me fix everything up and I'll be right back. Carry this bag like this in the crook of my arm when I'm out and about. And then sometimes I will carry the bag like on the side of me, depending on what. And then you can also crossbody bag. And let me just say, these here Marc Jacobs straps right here are so comfortable. So here is the bag on the side. Gives you that messenger bag vibes. And then you carry the bag as a shoulder bag. Set like so. Ooh, y'all getting down there on my knees. My feet done fell asleep. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all a few mod shots. Friends, I'm like 5'1". So like say if you at the grocery store and it's like, okay, let me go ahead and pay for my food. So you can just grab what you need, swipe, and keep going. And then you have, so you know, carry your grocery bags. Like for me, I live in an apartment, so I have a lot of times when we go food shopping, we have to carry all that stuff up the steps. So I like to be hands-free if possible as far as my bags. Do is just grab all the bags and, you know, and then my hands are free because again, my bag is crossbody. Is the back of the bag. I need to cut that off, y'all. But yeah, here is the back of the bag. Do decide to purchase this particular bag, I highly recommend you purchase a lint brush. I know I said it at the beginning of the video, but I'm gonna say it before I end this video. Purchase yourself a lint brush, just so you won't drive yourself crazy with the lint getting on your bag. And you know what, before I end this video, I will show you really quick if an iPad can fit. Okay, so if y'all didn't know, I have the iPad Pro. I'm going to see if this can fit. Let me just unzip the bag. Okay, let me take this out. I gotta remove this. So let me. Okay, so the iPad Pro does fit. And let's see if you can close the bag. And yes, you can close. Ooh, child. And yes, you can close the bag. So just in case you all wanted to know if you can fit an iPad in this bag, like I said, I have the iPad Pro. So if you have the iPad Mini or the iPad Air, you are fine. And mention this case that I have on this tablet is the keyboard case. So it is big and heavy, and it was still able to fit. So like I said, this here is the Apple keyboard. So if this can fit, again, you can fit an iPad Mini and an iPad Air. Now I don't see this fitting my MacBook Pro, and that's fine because I don't normally travel with that computer because it is really old. So when I do travel with some type of electronics, I'm always grabbing my iPad. For me, if I was to bring my iPad, I would probably use my small Marc Jacobs tote. So really quick, before I end this video, I get a lot of questions on which tote do you recommend. Now, if you like me and you have multiple totes, then I will highly recommend both. If you're brand new to Marc Jacobs and you like, okay, do I get the small or do I get the mini? The mini is, to me, like a purse bag. If you're coming from a speedy type of bag or something like that. But if you are looking for something small and on the go, I would highly recommend the small. If you need a little more room, like say if you carry books, your planners, your diaries and things like that, I would highly recommend the small. Use the bag as a work tote. Again, I would highly recommend the small. It depends on your preference, like, you know, what you want to use the bag for. Like that, I would take in consideration in determining which size of bag to pick. If this is your first time getting a Marc Jacobs and you really don't care about which size, I would get the small, me personally, because you have more room in the bag, and then you also have more options as far as colors. And then also with the small, you also have a zipper pocket with 2 patch pockets. So I feel like the small is $175 and the mini is $150. So what, 25 more plus tax? I would just go and get the small. Y'all have the Marc Jacobs mini in the leather print. Let me know how y'all like the bag. And I was also looking at the leather mini in the pink color. So yeah, you all, I just wanted to get on here and share a really quick review. So with that being said, you all, please give this video a big thumbs up because you know it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.